You are sitting in a dimly lit restaurant, holding the menu. Do you order your absolute favorite meal, guaranteeing you will leave satisfied? Or do you try a completely new dish, risking a terrible dinner for the chance to discover a new favorite? Artificial general intelligence systems face this exact crisis every second. To navigate autonomous vehicles through chaotic streets or optimize national electrical grids, a machine cannot rely on a pre-programmed set of rigid instructions. It must interact with its environment, suffer the consequences of its choices, and forge its own understanding of reality. In machine learning, relying on what you already know is called exploitation. When an agent exploits, it identifies the action that has previously yielded the highest reward in its current situation and executes it. It is the pursuit of immediate, guaranteed success. But an agent that only exploits is doomed to mediocrity. If it finds a strategy that yields a modest reward and sticks to it exclusively, it becomes blind to the rest of the universe. Data scientists call this effect stabilizing stupidity. The agent becomes confident in a deeply limited worldview, never realizing a superior strategy sits just off its beaten path. Exploration is the antidote to that stagnation. It is the deliberate choice to ignore the currently known best option to test the unknown. The system sacrifices guaranteed points today to map the environment and secure better data for the future. What the agent chooses to explore determines what data it collects, which in turn determines what it is capable of learning. This strategy is the absolute foundation of the agent's potential, dictating the boundaries of its own reality. Computer scientists illustrate this tension using the multi-armed bandit problem. Imagine you are standing in a massive casino with a limited bucket of tokens facing an endless row of slot machines. Every single machine has a different, hidden probability of paying out a jackpot. If you pull the first lever, win a few coins, and then spend all your remaining tokens on that single machine, that is pure exploitation. You walk away with a small profit, but you miss the machine at the far end of the row that pays out double. Conversely, if you succumb to pure exploration, you might put exactly one token into every single slot machine. You leave the casino with a perfect statistical map of which machines are the best, but your pockets are empty because you ran out of tokens before you could capitalize on your discoveries. To solve this, artificial intelligence designers program a shifting balance. When an agent is first activated, the environment is unknown, so it explores randomly to build a massive repository of experiences. As it accumulates data, the system begins to trust its internal map and starts to prioritize the high-yield actions it has discovered. The most sophisticated autonomous agents achieve mastery by prioritizing known wins while maintaining a tiny, persistent percentage of randomness. They occasionally make a completely random move simply to test their assumptions and ensure the rules of the environment haven't fundamentally changed. To navigate that balance, the agent needs a structured way to perceive its environment. Humans experience reality as a continuous, fluid narrative, but if we asked an artificial agent to perceive time this way, the infinite variables of history would make computation impossible. Engineers solve this by mathematically chopping the continuous flow of reality into discrete, isolated frames. This framework relies on 4 concepts. First, the state, a frozen snapshot of the environment. Second, the action, all possible moves. Third, the transition, the environment's reaction. Finally, the reward, a numerical signal for success or failure, telling the agent how well it performed. This framework allows the agent to treat the future as independent of the past. It isolates every moment and evaluates it cleanly, free from the burden of memorizing the entire history of its environment. The agent builds a spreadsheet. Rows are situations, columns are actions, initially zeros. Finding the goal, it writes a high score for its final move. Through Q-learning, a percentage of this reward cascades backward, diminishing at each step, forming a topographical map of expected values. When the spreadsheet reaches maturity, the agent observes its current situation, scans the corresponding row, and simply selects the action with the highest number. This populated ledger allows the agent to navigate reality using crystallized foresight. This master cheat sheet mathematically solves small, contained environments. But when engineers applied this theory to the real world, they hit an insurmountable wall. In complex environments like autonomous driving, The number of possible situations is vastly greater than the atoms in the universe. This curse of dimensionality requires more memory than exists on Earth to map every row. A spreadsheet is also limited by its literal nature. If a self-driving car learns to avoid a pedestrian in the center of a lane, but then encounters one shifted an inch to the left, the camera pixels are different. To a spreadsheet, this is a brand new row of zeros, and the agent has no idea what to do. To survive this complexity, the AI must abandon rigid memorization. It needs to develop the capacity to look at a completely novel situation and grasp what to do based on abstract analogies. Designers replaced the spreadsheet with deep neural networks. Early layers act as eyes, finding fundamental features like edges and shadows. Flowing deeper, these combine into complex concepts. Edges become shapes, shapes become wheels. This cognitive compression isolates the semantic truth. This conceptual hierarchy allows the AI to think in analogies. It understands that structural similarities in different scenarios require similar actions, mapping novel visual patterns to the strategic logic it has already mastered. This fusion creates digital intuition. When an agent encounters a configuration of board pieces that has never occurred in human history, it processes the underlying patterns, evaluates the board, and accurately estimates the best possible move without relying on any prior memorization. We started with a digital entity taking random, chaotic steps in the dark. It was born into a universe it did not comprehend, equipped only with the capacity to move and the ability to feel the blunt feedback of success and failure. By anchoring itself in the present moment, the agent breaks the complexity of history into manageable pieces. It forges an internal ledger of consequences and uses pattern recognition to bridge the gap between its current situation and its ultimate goal. The algorithms directing our digital lives and systems navigating our physical world operate on these exact principles. They rely on the same architecture of trial, error, and intuition that shaped our own minds. Reinforcement learning formalizes how any intelligence interacts with a universe that pushes back. It is the math of experience.